See, guys, lack of knowledge is the reason why you keep thinking that everything you see on social media is actually a scam. You see, there are people like me who actually spend a lot of time who research on different platforms, and these platforms that we actually research on, we go as deep as trying to know what exactly these platforms are all about, and we always bring you guys the best of information when it concerns making money online. But you see, for some reason, because you lack knowledge, because you are always around the wrong people, you always feel like everything we are talking is a joke. You feel like everything we are saying is a scam. Here is proof to let you know that I make at least 500 francs every day in my life. You can actually learn all of these skills and even make more, okay? So stop thinking everything you see on social media is a scam. And if you're actually interested to learn all of these things, just dive into my DM and text me the word learn, and I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know. I'm going to make sure that I guide you in such a way that if you take things seriously, you are going to be earning at least 100k per month, okay? For those beginners, there are people earning millions per month. Believe me, it's real. See you in my DM.